Okay, I'm going to make a triple half round shank. I cut 3 pieces of half round. I think this is 14. I did anneal these pieces. I'm just going to make sure they're all nice and flat and straight by just tapping them down with my leather mallet. Uh-oh. And then I'm going to do them sideways. Now here's my 3 pieces of half round. I'm going to line them up. They're all straight. And I'm going to use Handy Flux on them. That's what I prefer. And always remember, you know, that solder flows in the direction of the heat. And to keep your torch moving is always a piece of advice I give everybody who's just learning. So, get it all up to temperature. You can make adjustments. As you go. So I'm just going to put a dab of solder on each end and pull it down to the other end. Just going to pull it right down. First row, let's give that one more little chance. There we go. All the way up. Pick it up so you can see what I've done. So it's triple row half round. So I had some sweet little turquoise hearts on my bench, so I soldered a bezel in there. But you can see how this triple shank worked out. I think this was a 14 gauge half round, but you can do it with any, and you can add 4 or 5. It's a little challenging at first, but it totally can be done. Thanks so much for watching.